in the heart of Singapore. The second group stage of the 2014 World Championship will be taking place.
The Super Minions would end the game as long as they keep Alliance occupied.
Gets bubbled in. Will they be able to get a good fight out of this? Sonya's thrown down in from balls, and it looks like they're actually pushing Alliance away from their base.
Yes, that's a left, pulls him in. Dane taking out, slides on the way. Go. Again, Fnatic decides, screw it, let's take it. Back range onto Acorn. We'll get the one. Heart will be the next one.
We have had some insane games today.
But they're going for Yellow Star. Second man down, make that third and fourth. PK will fall. It's an 8 for OMG, and that's going to be the game.
Group stages at this World have been so exciting.
Cyanide and PK both closing in. There's the slow. Xiao goes over the wall. Reckless comes in and gets the pentakill.
The pentakills, man.
There goes the equalizer, trying to spread the fight. You're going to see Deft on the backside. He is getting hit up, but he's able to take down more, even with no name on him. They're going to win. Next turn is almost about to go down. Down, Alliance down. Kaboom. They flip the fuse, and kaboom goes the dynamite.
Play the best we ever will, and I'll be happy.
Sneaky coming around after using his QSS. It's going to be Cloud9 to win this one. They take out one. They're going to Zephyr. It's the ace for Cloud9.
The group stages have been very, very exciting. Had a great time here in Singapore.